Did you know 9 expert hikers once cut their way out of their own tent and ran barefoot into a deadly blizzard? In 1959, the Soviet Union found these experienced mountaineers dead in the snow, but what they discovered next was terrifying. The hikers had massive internal injuries with no external wounds. Their clothes were covered in radiation. The government immediately classified the case. For decades, officials claimed it was an avalanche, but avalanches don't cause radiation poisoning, and they don't make people flee their shelter in panic. What really happened on that mountain?